Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about what will be the legal consequence of your non-obedience in your own case, in your own suit. For example, if you have initiated a suit against someone, then you will be called as plaintiff in it and another party will be called as defendant in it. Okay. Now the court calls both of you, both of the parties on some date, but you were unable to attend. Okay. You were absent on that day and defendant appears. So what will the consequence that you have to face of your non-appearance? So the first thing will be that will happen is the suit will be dismissed. Okay, your suit will be dismissed, and after that, if the defendant is kind enough and if he accepts the claim, if he accepts your claim or a part of your claim, then the court will go with that claim, okay, and pass a decree according to that. But what if the defendant disagrees to your claim, the whole of your claim or part of your claim? Then of course your suit will be dismissed. Okay. The thing you can do is for your remedy for the plaintiff in this case to like you have a legal consequence, your suit was dismissed. Now what can be your remedy? How can you initiate your case again? So what you can do is you can appeal for an order to set aside the dismissal order. Now you have to prove to the court like there was some certain situation, there was some certain specific conditions. In that case you were unable to attend the court, and in this situation another thing that you also have to make sure that the court understand that your case, your suit is not frivolous, not vexatious, it is done in good faith, you are not harassing someone, or you are not misusing the court procedures. You have to make sure all of that the court understand it pretty much very clearly. Okay, now you have to make sure the court also understand like there was some sufficient cause, some sufficient causes, some sufficient conditions in which you were unable to attend the court. Now, wrapping up the video, what will the legal consequence of your non-appearance in your own case, in your own suit? So, your suit will be dismissed. Okay. Now, if the defendant accepts the claim, the part of the claim, then the court will proceed with that. And if he does not accept the claims, then your suit will be dismissed. Okay. Now, what will be your remedy is you can apply for a dismissal. You can apply for an order for dismissal of set aside of suit. Apart from that, you have to make sure that you certify the court like your case is not vexatious, frivolous, not done in bad faith. Okay, you are not harassing the court procedures. Okay, and there was sufficient causes for your non-appearance in that particular case. So I hope you understand the court procedure, the